I'm seeing a contract. I'm seeing an agreement. Okay? This is a major arcana, just discard energy. And it looks like there's something here, no, na meant na nangyari. Okay? I'm seeing number 11 right here. So, this is a pathway wherein kung ano man yung sitwasyon ni ito, ano man tong agreement or contract ni ito, it is meant to happen. It is meant na mangyari. Ayan. So, let us see. What is this all about? Yeah, definitely karmic connection. There's a chain right here, no? There's a chain right here between two people right here. But don't worry, kayang mabasag, kayang, what's that? Matibag, no? Or kayang mapaghiwalay, no? Yung chain na yan, no? Na nagpapabigat rito, no? Ng sitwasyon. But let us see what is this all about, because this is something here that is giving me the vibe na mukhang ito ay isang importanteng sitwasyon na malapit man ang kaharapin at yung iba nga kinakaharap niyo na sa kasalukuyan. Sa kasalukuyang panahon. Yan. Like ngayon yun na kinakaharap. Diba? So let us see. What is this all about? Hmm. This is a big warning. Okay? This is a big warning. I'm seeing a very clear nakakasilaw na red light dito, no? Yung parang sa wangwang ng ambulance, yung parang sa wangwang ng fire station, gano'n, no? But don't get me wrong, hindi yun sunog, hindi yun klase ng sakunan, no? Ito ay maaring idiomatic expression na gustong iparating sa inyo ng inyong angels and guides right here, ng inyong spirits and guides dito ni universe, no? That this is a big warning here for you guys, no? We're lucky enough, no? And fortunate dito, no, na malaman ito, no, ng clear messages dito, no? So don't worry, I'm gonna tell you what I'm seeing right here, but let me continue putting this all energies first sa ating table before we start digging more, okay? Yeah. This is your challenge, honey, the Seven of Cups energy. Spirits are saying Five of Swords energy, Five of Cups energy, Nine of Swords energy. Bottom of the deck right here, Ten of Wands. I'm getting that word magtsatsaga, magkukulit. Yan. Eight of Coins energy, and there, this Nine of Cups energy. Alright, so before we dig more into this reading of yours, let me just greet everybody muna. Hi and hello there, new subscribers. By the way, my name is Yan. Welcome tuloy. At sa mga returning viewers, maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta at pagmamahal sa akin dito. So kung hindi niyo pa knows, mayroon pa po tayong isa pang channel. Ang link po niyan is nasa ating description box. Kaya kung interesado po kayong tumambay dyan, kung hindi pa kayo nakatambay, kita-kita din tayo there. At sa mga nandoon na, maraming salamat. Pero tandaan niyo, just take only what resonates, no? Kasi hindi po lahat mag-resonate for you guys. Only collect those messages you feel so connected and drawn with. So, now let's talk about this. No, by the way, wala tayong gender ha, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome. At tandaan nyo, okay, bukod sa pipiliin nyo lang yung mga messages na nagre-resonate kayo, may free will din kayo na pwede nyong gamitin, no, anytime and anywhere. Yan. So, nakikita ko dito that you're so close right here. Six of Swords energy, and there's this Wheel of Fortune. You're so close. Sobrang lapit mo na, no? Sobrang lapit mo na dito. Saan ba miss yan? Dito sa Magician energy, no? This is the life, the balanced life that you want, no? This is your wish fulfillment. Napakalapit mo na. Yung buhay na gusto mo, ano ba yun? Okay? Ano ba yung buhay na noon mo pa inaasam-asam, iniima-imagine dito, no? Buhay na masagana, no, ano man yan, merong mga pagkain na gusto mo na nasa hapag ng kainan ninyo, meron kang sapat na pera, no, na nakatabi, no, at nakaimpok, no, like problem, hindi mo problem ang money, yan, no, or this is you, you're just having a relaxed life, no, chill life, no, the way you want it. And you're so close to that. Sobrang lapit mo na doon. No? Nakita ko na yun dito na ihahain na yun sa'yo ni universe. You're very close here, sweetheart. But, bakit may but, Miss Yan? Okay? Nakita ko dito ng Seven of Wands energy, Judgment card energy, Knight of Wands, and there's this strong Seven of Cups energy. I'm seeing a karmic cycle na dapat mong basagin. For those people na hindi alam yung ibig sabihin ng karmic cycle, mga babes, no, this is something here no, that you've agreed no, in one of the lifetimes na nabuhay na kayo before. No? You might not remember it and hindi naman kailangan alalahanin yon, pero meron kayo nakasundo or nagkaroon kayo na agreement here with so-called karmic partner. At kung sino man yan, no, yung karmic partner na yan ay nakilala mo ngayon in this lifetime or in this period. However, karmic cycle is something here na hindi nagiging successful because nagkita lang naman kayong ng dalawa, no, or nagkita lang naman kayong dalawa because of the contract that you formed, no, long time ago, no? So, you already encountered with this person right here. You have a past life connection with that person, but however, it's just karmic relationship. It's not meant to go so far, no? It's something here that is short term, but the karmic connection or the karmic partnership, no, is something here that's so much hurt, no, yung nadadala na pain nito sa inyong life. Like, sobrang masasaktan kayo with the separation, sobrang guguho yung mundo ninyo, no, with all of those mga mangyayari na mga sitwasyon na maaring hindi ninyo matanggap, no? So much sadness, so much pain, and a lot of tears. So, kung sino yan na maaring ex nyo to na nagdulot sa inyo rito, no, ng matinding kalungkutan, matinding disappointment sa buhay ninyo, at matinding paghihirap, no, sa piling niya. So, kung sino man yung ex mo nasaktan ka rito ng sobra, no, maaring siya rin yung ex mo na minahal mo rin ng sobra. At yung iba sa inyo, no, maaring kayo ito mga babes, no, na regardless of what happened sa past, yung iba, not literally nakaka-move on, no, sa kanilang feelings and emotions. Yeah, pwedeng yung iba, no, naka-move on na sa pain. Pero, you still remember it. Yung iba naman, naka-move on na sa pain, but there's still love. Meron pa din. Yan. Okay? So, nakikita ko dito whether you want to go back with this person here or not, okay? It's something here that you want na parang i-remember kapag nandito ka sa sitwasyon na to. Okay? If you feel like that your life is about to change, okay, na nararamdaman mo, no, na nagagawa mo na ngayon na makatayo on your own. Nagagawa mo na ngayon na parang masolusyonan, no, yung mga problema and you're no longer in that type of pain na nahihirapan ka na gumising sa umaga, nahihirapan ka makapag-concentrate sa mga things na dapat mong gawin, your daily routines and other activities, no? Pero dito nakikita ko na kung sino man to, no, nakaka-resonate sa akin dito ng mga energies, yeah, maybe you still have remaining love for that person, no? Pero that's not enough for you to go back doon. Or kasi, kaya may natitirang emotions and feelings kasi totoong minahal mo yung tao. Ganun yun. When your feelings are true, it's not something here that is so easy for you to release, no? Even if it's long time ago, okay? So, others might agree doon, others might not agree, but I do see right here that there's still something here that you need to realize here, no, deep within yourselves, no? So, bakit mo kailangang iwasan itong karmic cycle na ito? Kasi, nakikita ko dito, no, na one of these days, this ex of yours, no, will come knocking, no, sa inyong door. Okay? Not necessarily that this person here knows your place or residence or your home, but this person here, no, nakita ko mahahanap ka niya, makikita ka niya, pupuntahan ka niya sa kung nasan ka. Sa trabaho man yan, sa pintuan mo ng bahay ninyo, no, or sa kaibigan mo, no, Yan, basta hahanap siya dito ng mga koneksyon kung saan 'no, maituturo ka dito. So nakita ko dito 'no, that this is your karmic cycle na dapat putulin mga babes 'no. Kasi ang karmic relationship is not meant to last. Nandiyan lang yan, yung kontratang ginawa ninyo long time ago, yung pinirmahan ninyo, ano man yan, sanduguan, pirmahan na yan. Sundukan, pirmahan eh, 'no? Yun yung kontrata na muli kayo magkikita at magtatagpo 'no, sa hindi niyo alam na saling panahon, and then kailangan ninyong tuparin yun. Kailangan ng may matutunan kayong lessons dito 'no, but kailangan ng matutunan niyo yun, pero hindi na kayo dapat na magbalikan pa. Kasi once na bumalik ka sa kanya, yung napakalapit mong pagbabagong mina-manifest mo sa buhay mo, ay nakikita ko rin dito na hindi lang basta mauudlot, kundi talagang mahihinto. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, this is your big warning right here. Bakit big warning, Miss Yan? Paano kung na-realize ko, love ko pa pala talaga siya? Then it's your choice. Pero, I want you to hear this first. We've got right here the Nine of Swords energy, and there's this Five of Cups energy. Spirits are saying here, Five of Swords, Five of Cups, Nine of Wands energy. If you will go back with this karmic partner because you realize that you still have love for this person, and that you're willing to continue to rekindle, to reconcile, or makipagbalikan sa kanya, then the universe right here is saying, then you're gonna miss this big opportunity of changing your life. You're gonna miss that more money. You're gonna miss that a lot of offers right here para mag-grow at mag-expand ang yung money, business, career. You're gonna miss those things, no, na mararamdaman mo yung pag-alawan ng life mo. Then, you're gonna go back and experiencing the same mess all over again. What will you choose? It's up to you. Because this person na minint na ikat na ninyo ng matagal na, ay hindi yun na puwedeng ibuhol yun ulit 'no. Parang ganito lang yan, eh, nabasag mo ang isang jar. Ang jar na nagkalat may mga maliliit na mga naglaglagan 'di ba, ng mga anong klase man jar yan 'no, yung pieces ng jar na mapa-porcelain man yan or whatever, 'di ba? When you put them back 'no, into their places, you're gonna see 'no, na ma ang sunod na makikita nito ay nabasag 'to 'no, kasi hindi mo naman maibabalik yung gano'n na porma nun, yung gano'n kaganda na shape na yun 'no. It's already looking messy, 'di ba? So gano'n yun 'no. It's like this is you, pinagpalit mo yung life na eto na mina-manifest mo lahat 'no, and lahat, when you say lahat, pati yung love na gusto mong ma-receive 'no, yung klase or type ng kind ng love na gusto mong ma-receive, you will also miss that, okay? So, this ex of yours 'no, na lumalabas bilang karmic cycle, you need to cut it out, honey, and hindi mo 'to kailangang ibuhol, okay? Hindi mo 'to kailangang ibuhol ulit 'no, ibalik sa dati, okay? If you want to push with the life that you want here, then you must reject this person here. Because this ex of yours, no, nakikita ko siya ngayon na pumoporma, bumubuo, dumidevelop, hindi siya isang scientist. Pero nagke-create siya rito ng experimentation kung saan this ex of yours na lumalabas bilang karmic partner mo, no, na nakita ko na nakaalis na sa life mo matagal-tagal na, no, is trying to form a new offer. Pero yung offer na yun is nakikita ko rito na offer na ibalik kayo sa dating buhay ninyo noon, and the mistakes and the difficulties and all of those hardships na naramdaman mo sa kanya, mararanasan at mararanasan mo yung ulit. That's why the spirits are saying right here, no, to create, build yung matataas mo ritong boundaries, and don't let this person right here if you want to change your life talaga completely. So that's what your spirits and angel guides are trying to say right here. This person is just your karmic partner, but not meant to stay in your life forever. If you're gonna stay, or if you're gonna choose to let this person here, I mean stay in your life, then It's like you're saying that you are willing to sacrifice up until you die. Okay? It's up to your choice. It's up to you. It's your choice. Okay? Nasa sa'yo yan. Okay? If you're gonna hold on to those feelings right here and that feelings will not be reciprocated again, are you okay with that? Yan. Because with this 10 of Wands energy right here, no, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, no, makulit, magtsatsaga, magpupursige siya rito, no, na ipakita sa iyo na bumubuo siya rito mga babes, no, ng matibay na pundasyon sa inyong connection, then don't believe it. Because nakikita ko rito na ang matibay na pundasyon, no, ay nagagawa mo na, nabibuild mo na, and you are so close right here in manifesting the life that you want in your reality, all of the abundance, all of the prosperities, and all of the things that you want, all of the blessings that you do not expect to enter your life, those are inside these manifestations of yours. And kaya yun lumalabas bilang Nine of Cups energy because that is your wish fulfillment. And that wish is very soon to fulfilled by the universe itself sa iyo, 'di ba? So, make a better choice right here. Make a better decision right here. If you think that this person here is no longer na mapagkakatiwalaan mo, then don't let this person here enter your life because you are about to enter the life that you really want, that you really deserve, no? Sa iyong buhay na ma-experience, 'di ba? You're not meant to suffer, honey. Nakaalis ka na, huwag ka nang bumalik pa. Pero sabi ko nga sa inyo, just take only what resonates and at the end of the day, may free will kayo. No? It's your choice. Yan. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it sa inyo mga babes, no? Iba sa inyo. I'm seeing this person here is coming in, no? Sa mga susunod na mga days right here, no? At yung iba maaring 'pag malapit-lapit na talaga yung Pasko 'no, dahil meron silang mga naaalala rito 'no, na malambot yung puso ninyo 'no, at espesyal sa inyo yung mga parang mga special days or occasion. Yung iba baka gamitin pa 'no, yung parang number ninyo, yung mga monthsary, yung mga dates 'no, yung mga araw, mga ganyan 'no. Kunyari, 12 yung anniversary na day ninyo 'no, malamang dun siya sumulpot, yan. So you might want to check that out. So thank you so much again, Amen. Sarang Heyo, love and light. It's up to you, babes. It's your choice. Marasa. So yeah, thank you, Sarang Heyo. Ano?